second Jingle Bell item in the show. And we love shirts that say something. We love that Kim puts her own imprint on something and elevates it. That's exactly what she's done here. We're gonna start with, I said in my little preview, Kim and Amy, that this is the top that you could actually buy every single one of them. This is a typewriter sweatshirt. I know that we're saying sweatshirts. I'm gonna say that in quotes. Black is Mary. Then you have the gorgeous red in Believe. Here is that really pretty green Thankful that Kim has on. And of course, I'll be jumping in Jolly, by the way, pink, and then this really great kind of celadon green that says Jolly. 5 easy payments of $10.60. It's 95% cotton, 5% spandex, extra, extra small to 5X, only order of the year. I asked Kim and Amy for us to preview this first because I have a strong hunch that this is going to go really quickly. So coming in, Kim and Amy, you're bringing this to us. It's the launch of Jingle Bell.
Right. So Jingle Bell. So we have Bell Beach, we have Bell Boho, and now each holiday season we're going to be bringing you Jingle Bells, meaning just these little capsule collections of these boutique chic moments that you're only going to find here at QVC. It is amazing how you can take a beautiful, perfectly weighted sweatshirt. It's not too heavy, it's not too thick, it's not too thin. And we're doing the typewriter. We're calling this the typewriter font with that little period. Jolly period. We're not trying to do anything else. Period.
Yep.
Okay. Just we are there. We're done. Believe. Period. Okay. We want you to believe. Thankful. Oh, I had to put this one on. I'm just in that place as we head into this holiday season. I'm so thankful. And then Mary.
I mean, Mary. Hello. Deck the halls. Mary, Mary, Mary.
Let's do it.
This really is one of those that you could actually get every single one of them. My recommendation, by the way, 800 have been snapped up. What if this was the shirt that you were getting for all the girls in your family to take your holiday picture? I mean, you've got one in Thankful, one in Believe, one in Mary, one in Jolly.
One in Jolly.
Yeah, maybe you're deciding based on their personality. Maybe you're like, you know what, she needs to believe a little more. She needs to wear the Believe sweater.
Don't we all?
Right?
Don't we all?
Yes.
I mean, look, this is the whole thing. But to me, we all see these things where we have this messaging during the holiday season like this. But I think we've done it a little bit differently here. And we're calling it the typewriter, sweatshirt.
Font.
And it's the font. Thank you. It's just that little kitschy, sweet, boutique chic thing where it's different. You don't see this everywhere.
Nope.
I love the slits on the side. I love the easy fit of this. Get your normal QVC size. I'm in a medium. Amy's in her extra, extra small. I will tell you, it's super comfortable. It's that 95.5 extra reinforced cuff, reinforced hem that's a little bit extra long, that beautiful neckline. But y'all, when we say sweatshirt, we're not talking thick, bulky, normal sweatshirt. We cut it in right here, giving you a little swing here. Perfect length over jeggings, leggings, the new Jingle Belles jeans. Wait till I tell you about that fabrication.
Okay,
it's
so that
great.
was just a little sneak peek. Tony, already almost 2,000 of these have been snapped up. If you want the Jolly, 300 remain. Believe, 900 remain. Mary, 1,200, and Thankful, 600, most popular. And I'm thinking you wear one of these to trim the tree, you wear another when you're cooking Thanksgiving dinner, you wear that third when you're opening up the